This is Amasuki USB-C to USB-C charging cable and data cable for Apple, Samsung, for phones, laptops, tablets, up to 60-watt power delivery through them. There's 3 cables on this package, comprised of 3.3 feet, 4.9 feet, and 6.6 feet. All of them are braided, and we are gonna open it up, and thank you to Amasuki for sending this gift, and see what we are dealing with inside. Yes, I know you're supposed to use scissors. This is just my tool of choice. And yeah, on the back, without showing anything, this is where you would scan for a lifetime warranty or lifetime replacement warranty. You have to scan it within 15 days and register your cable package so you get lifetime warranties. And these cables look really nice and clean. I like that. So let me put them in order. 3.3 feet, 4.9 feet, and 6.6 feet. Now, really quick, I'm gonna plug it on the charger and I'm gonna see if it charges a laptop, a phone, and a tablet. Really quick. By the way, the braiding is really nice and high quality. I'm not sure if I can put it close enough. As you see, it is not the cheap variety at all. And it's really nice and flexible because there are some braided cables that are stiff. This one is very flexible and really, really nice. Okay, the first test will be a phone. Let's go quick. Yep, it starts charging and it says fast charging on the bottom. That is perfect. Okay, let me try a tablet. Okay, here's our tablet. Yep, goes to charge. Fast charging on this one too. That is perfect. So far, 2 per 2. And now the third will be a laptop. I don't really need to turn on the laptop. I'm just gonna show you here. If the light turns on, you know it's charging. And as you see, the light turned on right away. That means it is charging. This laptop will not start charging if you don't have at least 45 watts. So we know this cable is transporting right now well over 45 watts, which means it's within the 60 watts promised. Perfect, so it charges the laptop. Now, the other test will be to do some data transfer, and for that, I'm gonna jump in my main computer because I have a direct USB-C port, and I'm gonna transfer some files probably from either the phone or the tablet or something just to see the data speeds using this cable really quick. And here we are in the computer. I just opened some files. These are previous videos that probably you have seen already. Let me just plug in the Samsung phone directly to the USB-C. And yep, it opened up. I'm gonna go through some files probably. I don't know, some documents. I'll see. Okay, 3 gigs video. That is plenty. And I'm gonna transfer it directly to my desktop. It is connected with a Amasuki wire, and this, what you're seeing right now, is the transfer in real time. So it took around 1 minute for a over 3 gigabyte file. That is actually quite fast because this is a phone that I'm doing the transfer in and out, right? And let me just put, I don't know, a video inside the phone now, and this is even faster. Whoa, actually that's not bad at all. Now let's get out from the phone. Let me delete this one. Okay, and let me plug in a drive. It's a USB-C hard drive, and let's see how it does with this one. Okay, so this is a USB-C hard drive, and let me transfer this 3 gigabyte file in the drive while connected with the Amasuki cable, and the transfer is actually pretty good. The problem might be the drive itself is not the fastest, is an ONN 250 gigs drive, but it's definitely faster than the phone, so that means the cable is doing its job perfect. The only limitation is actually the devices themselves. So it looks like 45 seconds to 1 minute is that sweet time. Now let me do that same file from here to outside. Okay, I'm gonna replace it because I already have. And boom, it goes even faster. So that means the cable has the speeds. So let me just transfer this file to my computer real quick. Boom, 3 gigabytes file. That is actually really fast. And as you see, it did a really good job. It's actually really fast. I'm surprised, especially for the price. There's no way you can beat that. There's zero chance you can beat that for the price of these cables. The entire 3 cables in one pack. So what do I think overall? Absolutely beautiful. Yes, that's what I tried this drive. Let me disconnect it real quick and take it from the computer. Okay, so are they worth it? I would say 100%. You cannot beat this price for the quality of this cable, especially with a 60-watt power delivery and the quite fast data transfer speeds. I don't think you can go wrong. And yes, I tried from an external drive, from phone, from computer, from tablet. It works with them all. And yes, it works with the new iPhones on high speeds. So yeah, that is just how these work. And as I was saying, on the iPhones, I unfortunately don't have an iPhone, either 13 or 15 or 50 or whatever they have now. I don't have any available with me, so I cannot exactly test that one out. But I know 100% that they stand behind it, and it works for the iPhones and the new iPads and iPods and whatnot that are USB-C powered and USB-C data transfer. And yes, it works for the MacBooks that are now USB-C. It works for them too. And yes, it works for peripherals. If you have USB-C peripherals like keyboards, mice, and all that, it works for them too. And the cable is absolutely beautifully made. And let me just show you again the design itself. This is the cable. That says 60 watt Amasuki. Really high quality. And thank you, Amasuki, for sending them out and for trusting me to do this review. And with that said, we'll see you next time. Please like and subscribe to this video. Links will be down below. Go take a look. Go take a test. Go take a ride with them. And we'll see you next time. Bye.